Hey, you want to know what I think about the 3 colorways of the Dunk Low SB Grateful Dead collaboration coming out? You don't get a choice. I'm going to tell you in this video. So, sucks for you. Hey, what's going on? Gonna assume you said nothing. Welcome to the channel. I am SB Mitch. You can follow me, or you can subscribe, or you can do nothing. It's really up to you. Hi, pals. Unless you've been living under a rock for the past month or so like that, or you've just been too busy selling swimming pools on Facebook Marketplace, you're probably aware of the 3-pack of Nike Dunk Low SBs coming out paying tribute to legendary jam band The Grateful Dead. These sneakers are releasing this Friday, July 24th, is that what it is? At various skate shops and also on the Nike sneakers app via a draw. So if you want to know where you might be able to get these to actually buy for retail, good luck with that. Because basically, unless you're a team rider for one of the shops getting the pairs, or you just have $2,000 to $3,000 just lying around like it doesn't mean anything, your chances of getting a pair of these is really slim, mega slim. Now, I'm not here to show you what they look like, because I make approximately $140 per month on YouTube, and I'm really not about to pay 4 months worth of rent to make a free internet television video that'll get maybe 5,000 views just to make myself feel better. The Nike SB Grateful Dead Dunk Lows were made in 3 different colorways. The orange ones were available exclusively at FTC San Francisco and also available via a nationwide raffle on the Grateful Dead's official web store. There's the green ones, which are a skate shop exclusive, so you'll see them at local skate shops. CCS might have them, Tactics might get them, I don't know, we'll see. And the most available of the 3 colorways, the yellow, which is releasing at said skate shops and also on the Nike sneakers app this Friday, July 24th via a draw. Most of the places that had them available conducted a raffle, whether it be locally or nationwide, so these are so limited, it's not even funny. And your chances of getting a pair for retail are pretty non-existent. Let's be realistic here. And on top of that, these are rumored at, I think I heard 19,000 pairs total. Again, these are rumors, these are not confirmed numbers, so take what I say with a grain of salt, just like pretty much everything else I say. That being said, I mean, why not rank all 3 of them by colorway? Now, I'm not taking into account materials or the fact that there's a stash pocket, because that stuff I really just don't care about. I just really care about what they look like and if they're pleasing to me aesthetically. So this is purely based on colorway. Number 3, the green ones. Now, I'm not really a fan of monochromatic sneakers already, so when you take a sneaker and the primary color of the shoe is a color I'm just not a big fan of, that being green, the chances of me going bonkers over how they look are pretty low. Now, I will give them that the blue swoosh and the blue outsole looks very, very good. And if these had blue secondary laces, I could see them being somewhat wearable. But of the 3, this is just my least favorite colorway. Number 2, the orange ones, as if I'm ever gonna see these in person. I like orange. I've always liked orange. I don't know if it's because orange juice is a tasty beverage, or if it's my self-hatred infused love for the Cleveland Browns NFL football franchise, or simply because Halloween is the best holiday. Because these kind of look like pumpkins a little bit. These are good. I really like them. I really wish the swoosh and the outsole were blue, just like on the green ones. Green is kind of eh. So these would have been my favorite ones had they had a different color outsole and swoosh. But still, they look really good to me. Number 1, the yellow. I just really like yellow sneakers. I always have. I don't know why. Yellow is not my favorite color, but I have 3 pairs of yellow sneakers. A lot of the sneakers behind me have a lot of yellow accents to them. But I love how the blue is worked into this colorway. If they would have went with green, I would have been like, nope, not cool. But the fact that they worked the blue swoosh and the blue outsole into this colorway is awesome. And if these do have secondary laces that are blue to match the outsole and the swoosh, these are pretty much dang near perfect, aesthetically speaking, in my opinion. So there's that. That's why I like all 3 of them. I just much prefer the yellow over the other ones. So good luck with everyone who's entered all the raffles. There's no more open raffles as far as I know, and no one's doing first come, first serve. So good luck on sneakers, I guess, if you're going for them that way. But I mean, these are gonna be just so tough to get. Just like every other Dunk Low SB that's been coming out since that talentless hack started wearing them and got his mindless sheep followers to do the same thing and drive up resale prices. Ugh. Hey, if you remember too, earlier in the video I said I make about $140 a month on YouTube. That's actually true. I don't make much money on YouTube, so I can't really do many giveaways, but hey, here's a giveaway. So this giveaway was gonna be for like one item, but there's a story why there's gonna be 2 items available. So I went to my UPS mailbox yesterday and I had a random package that I don't know where it came from. Apparently, Champs sent me a free pair of sneakers. I don't know if it's on accident. I don't know if they don't know anything about me. Let's be realistic here. But they sent me a free pair of size 11 Lebron 16s. Let me pull them out here because this is gonna be one of the things being given away. So this is gonna be one of the things given away. It's a size US 11. It's a Lebron 16 in the glow colorway. It's just a pretty clean, all black with a glow outsole. Lebron 16. Apparently these are awesome for basketball. I have no use for them, so someone's gonna get them for free. So you could win this, or you could win your choice of one of 2. I have a large and an extra large. It's a Nike SB Stephen Harrington t-shirt. You can see the little Stephen Harrington dude that was on the Earth Day collaborations. But it is a Nike SB Dri-Fit shirt. I have a large and an extra large available, so you'll be able to choose one of those. If you're not any of those sizes, we could figure something else out. We'll just have to talk or whatever. So that's what you can win for free. You can be anywhere in the world. I will send it to you. Here's what you gotta do. So on this video, you have to like, you have to subscribe to this stupid channel. Go down below in the comments. Tell me your location, your choice of prize, which is a US 11.0 Lebron 16 in the glow colorway, or a size large or extra large Nike SB Stephen Harrington tee. A good way to contact you, whether it be Twitter, whether it be Instagram. You can even use your email if you feel comfortable putting that down that way. No Facebook, and then comment the word done. Simple as that. I won't be commenting or responding to comments because I don't want my comments to get picked for the giveaway. So what'll happen is I'll pick a random comment, and whatever that person picks is what they'll win, and then I'll pick another one, and if that person picks something different, that's what they'll win. So there'll be 2 winners. Pretty cool. This giveaway is open now. You can comment right now down below to be entered. It ends this Sunday at midnight, or 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. I will be contacting the winners through the contact information they give me. Do not enter more than once. I will be checking the comments to make sure that you're only entering once, and don't act like I don't have the time to check, because I absolutely do. Any duplicated comments will be deleted and you will not be able to win. All the details are going to be down below in the video description. So if you want to win a pair of sneakers for free that you can flip or wear or do whatever the heck you want to with them, or a t-shirt to do the same thing, comment down below. Good luck. That's all I got for you today. We'll be back on Friday with another beater box. I think it's a $600 beater box. The $600 beater box had 5 pairs in it. It was kind of weird. So it's an interesting box. It's really good. I mean, it's a Soul Supremacy box, so it's really good, but it's just a very odd video. Like, I had to kind of drag it out so it wasn't 3 minutes long. Good luck on the giveaway. Remember to comment down below to be entered. And thanks. I wanted to give back to you guys, and then COVID happened and everything sucks now. So appreciate you taking the time. Have a good rest of your day. I will see you on Friday. Till then, take care of each other. Remember to make it fun, because sneakers are supposed to be fun. Bye!